Preparing the campfire meal. What's for dinner tonight, Dave?
Tonight we're going to have some slow cooked lamb.
Nice.
With veggies, and
There's
going to have red wine and sweet potato and veggies, and have garlic, salt, pepper, chili, rosemary, fresh rosemary from my plant. Look at that! Look at that!
Nice.
Isn't rosemary? Oh, that's Remembrance Day, not Anzac Day.
I think they still use it on Anzac Day.
Use it on Anzac Day. There you go. And sweet potato.
And the view. Perfect. Getting the coals ready.
Now look at these chocos. Not many people eat these chocos. We're going to try them. I love them, so anyway.
Italian.
Yep. Anyway they're cooked, I love them. They just need salt and pepper as a minimum. They don't have much flavour. But here we go, look at this. Oh. It's going to soak right through the lamb.
Beautiful.
And the veggies.
And let those coals die down a bit first.
Yep.
So you got your bed of coals.
Got my hot bed of coals. Just going to sit this at the front.
And we forgot our spade, so we can't put coals on top yet. Can you chopstick it? Pick up some coals with 2 sticks?
Yep. Oh. I'll just build the sides up a little bit. We don't want it to burn too much.
No.
Whew. Alright, so it's been about half an hour now, so we'll just check it now. Pretty hot, so it might be cooking too quick.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. Okay. Actually,
Beautiful.
it's not bubbling, so we don't want it to boil.
I reckon it's just right.
We just want it to simmer. Oh.
How's it going?
Oh.
How long's it been in for? Do we even know?
Probably about an hour and a half.
I think it's been longer than that.
2 hours.
Oh yeah. It's just about to fall off the bone.
Still got about another hour to go.
You think?
I can still see it's pink. Oh yeah.
I think it's ready.
Yep. Alright. After about 4 hours, our dinner's finally ready. There's a lamb leg. Alright, let's have a look. I'll just cut down and have a look into it. Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Look at that. Perfect.